Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to Winery Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about International Fellowship Program. This fellowship program is fully funded. We will discuss in details that how to apply, what are the requirements to apply for this fellowship program, and how much amount they offer in this fellowship program yearly. So before going in details, I request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and click bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened official page of international fellowships and current funding opportunities of international fellowship. The funding is more than enough amount to spend for this fellowship program yearly. The funding amount is $20,000 to $50,000. And this fellowship program announced on 1st of August. And the deadline for this fellowship program is 15th of every year. So you can apply during this time period. The program provides support for women pursuing full-time graduate or postdoctoral study in the United States, to women who are not US citizens or permanent residents and who intend to return to their home country to pursue a professional career. This fellowship program, they prefer women to apply for this fellowship program, and when you will be admitted for this fellowship program, then you have to return back to your home country to serve for it in your professional career. A limited number of awards are available for study outside of the USA, and here you can see recipients return to their home countries to become leaders in business, government, academia, community activism, the arts or scientific fields. How much amount they award? Here you can see master's first professional degree $20,000 per year, doctoral students $25,000 and postdoctoral $50,000 per year. They offer this amount. Timeline, as I told you earlier, August 1st it's the application opening date, and November 15th 2022 deadline for online submission of applications, recommendations and supporting documents. On April 15th 2023 notification of decision emailed to all applicants, and on July 1st 2023 fellowship year, when a date falls on weekend on holiday, the date will be observed on the following business days. Between July 1st to June 30, you will be admitted and you can join this fellowship program. Eligibility criteria: international fellowships are not open to previous recipients of any international fellowship program. For example, the students who selected previously, they cannot apply for this program. International fellowship are open to women, including people who identify as a woman, in all fields of study. So as I told you before, that this program is for only women. Unsuccessful applicants may reapply again this year. To be eligible for an international fellowship, applicants must meet the following criteria. All criteria is written here, you can see. And criteria for selection and application review. First, the panel meets once a year to review applications for funding, and then award based on your criteria base, you will be awarded this funding. Required components: Documents requirements. Your studies background should be mentioned. Research proposal, recommendations, documents and reviews. In documents, proof of highest degree, your transcripts. If the institution does not provide a transcript or list of courses taken and grades received, or the degree did not require coursework, an official letter from the institution where the degree was received that includes the degree completion date must be uploaded. All these are the requirements. Proof of English proficiency. Upload one of the following. If you have TOEFL, you can upload, or they require 6.5 IELTS bands. Written statements verifying the applicant's native language is English. Secondary diploma or undergraduate degree is from an English speaking institution. You have to mention in your application that you got your previous degree from English Start program. All transcripts provided must include the applicant's full name, the school's name, all courses and all grades, as well as any other information requested in the application instructions. So these are the documents required for this fellowship program. To apply, you have to click here. Login to apply. First you have to register yourself, then you have to apply for this program. So all these are the required details about this fellowship program. If you have further questions, you can ask in comment box, or you can directly contact me on given Telegram link. So this is all about this international fellowship program. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.